What's going on, guys? Chris here. Got another Beetle update for you. I'm trying to keep him a bit regular now. So just in the middle of doing the steering box, gonna sand it all down, get it in epoxy, and get it in a 2K top coat. Then I can get all that assembled and get actually steering now. So I'll flip you around and I'll show you what I've been doing. There's all the bits now, all stripped down. Just gonna hit it with 320 and get a coat of epoxy on it. So all cleaned up pretty nice. I've left this joint out because I don't want to mess around and taking it off really. I'm just going to paint it with it on. That's the box now with 2 coats on of epoxy. And then the arm. And the brackets. I'm going to let these tack off, and then hit it with the 2K satin black. That's all the box assembled now. All new hardware, new bush on the end, a bracket there, and got some Allen key hardware for it. Now I'm just going to get it fitted. So I've just took the fuel tank out. You see the operator master now, I'll clean all this on there. Don't worry about all this, it's all going to get cleaned up and painted the same. That's where the box is going to go, steering box. So I won't show you assembling it, it's pretty straightforward. But I haven't got no one to hold the camera today, so let's put it on. That's the box loosely put in. I'm just going to put the steering shaft through. And I can line it all up properly and tighten it all up. So I just wanted to point this bit out, but this is what the Beetle came to me with. Let's focus on it. Little bolt, and then how I'm assembling it. A lock nut, spring washer, proper hardware, stainless steel as well. The shaft's going to get painted, sanded and painted at a later date. I'm going to do that gloss black as well as with the handbrake and the gear shifter. But I don't know if the last owner planned on running it like this, or it was just a temporary thing. But around here we do things right. That's the steering box all on now, bolted down. All the brackets here. And push in. It's on the stop down there as well. I will be adjusting that though once I put the trailing arms on, the steering arms. That's it all done. Got the rest of the cut in the centre. Now to do the arms. That's all the steering arms done now, all new ball joints. I'm missing the nuts on the end, so I will get some for that. So today I'm just going to be fitting the calipers, and then just going to go around the full car and do any bolt checks and stuff like that. So I've got out in the sun today, so I'm going to crack on with this. That's the caliper on now. So got all new lines to go on. So I'm just going to order some, don't know if to get copper or stainless lines as well yet. Right, it's all rolling now. So today I thought I'm going to cut this front apron off. Got a new one over there with the spare wheel tray as well. Just see it's all gone on the corners. It's all gone on the bottom. So replace that front thing. So first to make a start at the body now. Now it's all rolling. Just to tidy up a little bit. It is going to get professionally painted, but I thought if I could do the majority of the work, might cut down on the labour. I've swapped the cars around now, so the sacks under there. Roll the Beetle out now. That's the front end all took off now. Got the spare wheel off. Some spot weld there you can get out from the other side. But I'm going to rebuild all these corners and then rebuild all this front end to put the new front apron on, and same with this side as well. But that's the main rust on the full car really, but it's not too bad to be fair. See if we can get the spare wheel well in now. That's it, roughly mocked up now. Just throw a couple of self tappers in there. I'm going to have to make these corners, and if you can see it with the light, to make all these corners up. You see there, because I had to cut all the way right out. But it's all lining up alright, so I'm going to do all them spot welds now across there. Don't look as rotten anymore now. I'm going to cut that plate out that side and do that as well. That's this side all done now. Rebit all the corner. So just cut the rut out with this side. I'm going to cut that top bit out as well. And then just made a little patch there that's going to go in next. So I'll get that welded in and I'll show you what it's like. Well, that's it all welded on now. I'm running a little gas on the bottom, so I'll get some more gas and finish that off. So that's that piece up, all done. It's ready from the apron to go on now. So that's all I've got for you for now. So going to finish off all the front end, get all the front apron on. So I just want to say a massive thank you to all the new subscribers, we're over 300 now. So thanks a lot for watching, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for the next one. See you later, bye!